I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming old, overlooked parts into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm starting with a lock nut from an old angle grinder. I'll remove it using a pin wrench. Since it's a bit rusty, I'm spraying it with WD-40 and scrubbing it with an old toothbrush. This is crucial because a completely clean metal surface ensures optimal electrical conductivity later on. I'll wipe it completely dry with a paper towel so no residue is left behind. Next, I'm taking an old bicycle inner tube. I will carefully use scissors to cut the metal valve away from the surrounding rubber. I'm using pliers to disassemble the valve to remove any remaining rubber inside. I need this specific threaded metal piece to act as the adjustable chuck for our heating element. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, I'll thread the clean valve stem right into the center hole of the grinder lock nut and tighten it securely with pliers. Next, I have a metal tube to prepare for making the handle. I want to attach a grinder lock nut to a metal pipe, but the size isn't right. I'll file the inside edges smooth to remove any sharp burrs and carefully press it onto the lock nut. This creates a sturdy, heat-resistant handle for our tool. Here's the secret ingredient: an old AA battery. I'm carefully peeling back the outer metal casing and extracting the solid carbon rod from the center. This carbon rod is highly conductive and can withstand extreme heat without melting. I'll burn off any remaining chemical residue with a lighter and wipe it clean. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. To make our tool precise, I need to sharpen the carbon rod. I'll safely insert it into my drill chuck and spin it against some sandpaper. I'm doing this to meticulously shape the tip to a very fine point. This is absolutely necessary because this focus point will allow for precise heat concentration when we are welding. I'm taking a thick red electrical wire and stripping the ends. I'll attach one exposed end directly to the metal valve stem inside our handle. Then, I'll insert the sharpened carbon rod into the stem and tighten it to lock it and the wire in place. At the other end of the red wire, I will strip the outer insulation and attach an alligator clip. This alligator clip makes it easy to connect to the power source. I'll wrap the entire metal handle securely with red electrical tape. This is super important for insulation and safety, preventing any accidental short circuits or shocks during use. I need to create a dedicated ground wire. I'm taking a thick blue wire, stripping both ends, and attaching a metal alligator clip to each side. I'm using pliers to ensure the connections are crimped down tight over the bare wire. A strong connection here is key for good conductivity and to safely handle the high electrical current we'll be pushing through it. Let's set up our power source. I'm using a 12-volt lead-acid battery. I will connect the alligator clips from the red wire of the tool directly to the positive terminal of the battery for maximum power. I'll connect one end of the blue ground wire to the negative terminal and attach the other clip to our workpiece. Let's do a quick test. Look at those sparks. The carbon rod instantly generates an intense electrical arc. I'm taking two pieces of red wire and twisting them together. Next, I will attach the remaining alligator clip directly to the exposed copper section. I touch the soldering iron to the copper wire. You can see how the copper inside heats up and melts, helping the wires to stick together quickly, demonstrating the immense strength it creates. This shows how much heat this simple setup can generate. Let's see how perfectly it works on a real repair. I'll attach the ground clip to the cup to complete the circuit. Using our homemade carbon arc welding tool, watch the intense heat melt the metal instantly to weld and attach the handle to the cup. Look at that perfect solid patch. This tool is incredibly versatile. I can even use it to burn designs, like etching the word like onto this foil-wrapped block of wood. The concentrated heat is amazing. Our incredible, multifunctional carbon arc welder, made almost entirely from scrap parts. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what you would fix with this tool. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.